Welcome to the Toontastic Q&A. This is a science video, so we will include some exciting questions and manga stories. Okay, so number one. What is your favorite thing to eat? Well, my favorite thing to eat is bananas. Question number two. What is the scariest emergency alert system? Indonesia 2018. Sounds like I'm walking downstairs in 3 in the morning. Question number 4. Why are you scared of the Indonesia 2018 alarm? Because it does sound so scary. It's like a loud thing flashing through my ears, or it's like an SCP. Question number 5. Is this EAS alternative or fake? I think it's alternative because not some say alternative. Oh no, the time is running out. Question number 6. Is this the end? Let's see what will happen in the camp. What was that? So let's explore. Jump in the river. Boom! I'm coming. Oh, it doesn't even have an exit. This is the back. Mandela's me broken Julius. Dude, this is everything else. Well, that's what happened in Camp Worlds. That see you in the flip side on the next scene. Let's see what data I'm collecting. First, turn on my flashlight. Yeah, so what data I'm collecting? That's on the fire slid out. And this is my phone. Oh, I hope it's free. Okay. So why is it today was supposed to be sunny, but now it's night. And why I don't hate this. You know, they coming up new ideas. And I die of it. Well, I think I'm gonna need to sleep and wake up in the second next day. I was just kidding. Let's continue. Ah! Short thing. Analyze the point. While the end, rate the Indonesia 2018 emergency alert system. But please don't watch us at night or you will be scared forever.